Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Epico Valley is a blockchain and gaming-based project which aims to create a first-generation platform offering Indian mythological characters and stories to the world. Let's know more about it from its co-founder Aniket Bhosle.
I'm Aniket Bhosle. I'm a co-founder of Voice Studios. We are based in London and Navi Mumbai. So right now I'm going to talk about the Epico as a brand, why we started and what is the vision behind it. So basically, me and my founder Venkatesh used to work in an investment bank as an investment banker. We used to play a lot of games like Age of Empires and Clash of Clans, and we used to think like why there are no Indian civilization in there, and why we don't see any Indian culture aspect included in it. So we thought of why not we create something which is like Indian based and it can showcase India's culture, and to the global audience it should be reachable like what we do, what the Marvel has done. So we thought of let's start something which is reachable to the global audience based on Indian culture. So that's when the Venkatesh, our founder, he left the job and he started venturing different startups in UK, and he found out that still in UK as well, like a lot of studios were focusing on different culture, but they were not focusing on Indian mythologies. So he asked me like, why not we just start the company and we think about like what we can do for the Indian culture and all. And luckily in 2019 when we started, Prime Minister Modi actually started concept of Toykathon, and it involves like how you can represent the toys and toy based products and digital products which represents India and Indian culture to the global audience. And luckily we had this game called Epico Regal, we worked on it, and the main idea behind it, so this is the game, it's based on the comics of Katika. So comics are created using two different mythologies, which is Indian mythology, which is called Ramayana and Mahabharata. So we took all the characters from the Ramayana and Mahabharata and we created our own storylines. So as you can see, we have Shakuni, who is from Mahabharata, and we have Jamvanta, who is from Ramayana. So both these characters have their different characteristics, but at the same time they are doing different behavioral things which impact the storyline. So we thought of why not we create a new storylines based on these characters. So we created storylines wherein Shakuni is doing cunning things, he is making noise and making quarrels among the people, while Jamvanta is a wise person who is actually guiding the people in the right path. So that's how we launched the Katika comics, and later on we added a game called Epico Regal, wherein you actually defend the towers and you destroy towers. So wherein people actually play the game and get more belonging to these characters. And finally we have AR collectibles, wherein players can actually collect these AR collectibles in augmented reality. All these characters can be visualized. So the idea behind it was like to provide a rich culture and in the latest technologies to the global audience. So we started with Epico Regal as a game which is available on mobile, and right now we are working on two different products. One is the Epico Valley. Now this is a board game and it covers the mythology based on Yama's character. Now here Yama is controlling the hell. He is the king of hell, and is controlling the ring of life, wherein players have to play around it, and they need to get out of the hell by doing the right things. Like they need to follow the karma, they need to understand the dharma and all those concepts. So while playing the game, they also get to learn about these things. So same with the Epico Regal, they are also getting to learn about the Epico, what the Indian culture is and what knowledge they can get out of it. And while playing this game, they also get to know about what the culture is treating them and teaching them. So the main idea was to bring in more knowledge about the Indian culture through these different products. Epico Valley has main concept of hell and heaven, and Yama is like the god of hell and he's controlling his kingdom. So हमारे India में we have a concept called karma. So karma is like when you do the right deed, you get to the heaven, or else Yama will catch you and he will bring down you to the hell. So it's for the eternal of your life that you, based on your karma, you get into the hell. So game का logic ये है कि when you play the game, you have to think about those concepts as well, because all these cards are belong to different concepts that wherein you get to learn about karma, moksha, and dharma, all those things. So each player, there are 6 players can play the game at a time. Yama is the center of the board, and 6 players can play the game using this board. So in this board, they get like 5 lives, 5 guards, 5 elements. So while playing the game, they have to start from here, and on each step they have to roll the dice so that they can reach to the different path. And when they reach to the particular section, they have to see the card what they have in the storybook, that what that particular steps will bring them. So while playing the game, they have to make sure that they dodge the obstacles, and they need to buy the elements. So they can buy these 5 elements, different 5 elements from the shop. They need to use the token to buy those elements. The elements are, if collected, like all the 5 elements are collected together, they will get them a booster to reach the further steps in more advance as compared to the other opponents. While guards will protect them from the other attacks or any other obstacles they may face. Lives will protect them. They will have to like make maximum reach to the 5 lives. Once they reach to the 1 life, that is the last life they have. If they die, they will stuck to the hell. And while playing the game, they also have to solve the puzzle. So puzzle is more complex because they have to buy each and every puzzle object from the shop while playing the game. And at the same time, when they're playing the game, they have like different power cards they can buy. So each power cards actually allow them to reach to the next level in more advanced way. So they can actually surpass their opponents by using these power cards. And while playing the game, they have to complete the 5 levels, like 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Like 5 chakras they have to complete while they're playing the game. Once they complete the puzzle while playing the game, they can actually go out of the hell and go to the heaven. The one who left behind, they will stuck to the hell. So the game is played around, the timing is around 40 to 50 minutes, and they can actually play the game along with their 5 other friends. And right now we are targeting this game to be produced in VR, which is virtual reality. Once this game is commercialized, we'll be having it in virtual reality so that players can wear the VR headset and they can play across the globe with any of their friends via online. Just imagine this game is in 3D and you are actually watching your characters actually playing the game, and in effects it has sound effects and VFX and all. But at the same time, they are learning things from the Indian mythos. And finally, we are working on the game called Epico World. So this is again a game in PC, and here you have characters, the same characters here, like this Shakuni character here. You can see the humanoid version of that character here. Here we are developing 3D monuments like Dwarka City and Sanchi Stupa, then Nalanda University. So all these structures are being developed in 3D so that users can actually play the game. At the same time, they can actually learn about these monuments, what these are and what the story behind these monuments. So at the same time they're playing and engaging, they are also learning these things. So the main concept our studio is to like develop the Indian based Marvel, which is into comics, digital products as well as physical products. And later on, the aim is to launch the toys and merchandise to reach out to these audiences. So yeah, this is the whole concept of our studios. We just want to bring the Indian culture to the global audiences, in more engaging and more immersive way, so that they can get more engaged and knowledgeable about the culture. And the fun fact, the Epico Regal game has launched. Since launch, have 5 top audiences from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, US and UK. So as you can see, players all around the world are really excited about our products, and they are really accepting our products. It's not a culture barrier, it's just that you need to rightly produce the correct content and the right mode of, so that they can engage and they can use our products and they can learn about the